guys, good day, and finally it's here. I will just give you a very short unboxing video and a little review for this product, the Logitech Combo Touch, which are gonna be used for my iPad Air. So thank you so much Ma'am Jackie sa pagbili nito. Of course, napadala po ako and siya talaga yung nag-effort to buy this in the US. So pinadala siya sa balikbayan box, and it took almost more than 1 month for it to arrive here in the Philippines, here in Cebu. And thank you so much. Shout out to Kenny sa paghatid. And ayun, this is just a quick unboxing, and tara, samahan niyo ako. You see guys, this is the Logitech Combo Touch for iPad Air 3 or iPad Pro 10.5 inches. So it's a detachable keyboard case with trackpad and smart connector technology. So it has backlighted keyboard, it has also a trackpad and smart connector. No need for charging. Yan. So how will I open this? Ganun. Wow! Wow, grabe, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Oh wow. So this is how it looks like. Wow. Nice box. Oh. Wow. Oh my god, this is it. Ang ganda. It's very sturdy and how can we remove this thing? Oh wow. So this is the kickstand. Yan. So this is the case. The hard shell case so that your iPad will become protected. At ito yung keyboard niya. So later we'll just test the keyboard. So it's very nice packaging. Good job Logitech. So just get my iPad. So this is my iPad Air 3. Ayan. Just remove the original case, the previous case that I'm using. So oh my god, wow! I'm so excited, guys. Oh. Wait, may something lang dito. But later I'll just remove that stuff. Wow, oh! It smells new. Wow. This is it. Oh my god, this is so nice! And as you can see guys, we have the hard shell cover. So meron siyang volume rockers here. The holes for the camera. There. And here is a smart connector wherein you will put the keyboard. So let's try. So this Combo Touch will turn your iPad into a laptop talaga. So the functions will become like a laptop or the MacBook Air. So as you can see, this is I think one of the brands, or the only brand, third-party brands that was approved by Apple. So I'm so, wow, it's so tactile. Look up. Wow. So only here is working. But this is so nice. Oh my god. So I'm so excited. How will I use this? Siguro, oh wow, amazing. So kailangan mo mag-install ng app. So you need to install an application, App Store. So it will direct you to the application kung saan si Logitech has this application for the keyboard. Wow! Look guys, it's umiilaw. Wait ha, I just load down my look. I just turn off my. See, can you? See, umiilaw siya. Amazing! Wow. I'm so amazed with this product. Grabe talaga. Oh, it's working already. Oh my god, Logitech. What apply? Logitech Combo Touch. So hindi ko alam anong iaano ko, but it's working already, guys. Sorry, combo. Oh my god, the buttons are so soft. Grabe, walang charot to. Oh, see, it's working now. Wow, amazing. I don't know kung ano yung app na anuhin ko but it's really working. Look, that's good. Oh my god, look at the sobrang, oh, Tingnan nyo. That's the cursor. So, I need to, ano lang siguro. I need to go back. Oh, you mean back here. So, I just go to the keyboard. Para tap to click lang tayo, guys. Keyboard. Tap to click lang. So, we have this. Oh, see? It's so soft. This is how Apple, yung MacBook works. Oh, diba? I mean, the dual, yung dalawang hands mo. This is how MacBook works talaga. Kaya ang gaya nila. So, accessories. Saan ako pupunta nito? Anyway, I'll just watch yung mga videos later for how to set this up. Here is come the keyboard. Okay, kailangan pa siyang pindutin. Keyboard, wala naman eh. So let's go to I think, oh no, sorry, kailangan talaga siyang pindutin. Trackpad, this one. Tap to click, yeah. Okay, wait. Tap to click tayo, guys. Yan. See, para this is already clicking. Oh, nag-click na siya. Oh. See, this is how it works. So trackpad. Yan, let's do it a little faster. Yan, let's do it a little faster. I like it a bit faster. Like this. How about very fast? Not that fast. See? Parang ito na. It looks like ano na, MacBook na. Grabe, I'm so amazed. Oh, see? And let's go back. Oh, wow. How about this app? This is my favorite app na ginagamit because may bayad yung mga ano. So, I just type here the quick round fox. Wow, amazing! I was really amazed by these guys. Grabe. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So I just X this out. Save. Don't save na. Wow. Grabe. I just don't know what application that I'm gonna use. We're gonna, yeah, okay. Swipe ka ng ganun. Those are the gestures. So soon siguro guys, I'm gonna have a demo soon, yung review ko. But this is just a very quick unboxing. So, Logitech Combo Touch. So, Logitech. Click all the keys. So, ayun na nga po. Natapos ko na po siyang i-unbox. And sobrang ganda po talaga ng product na to guys. So, I uploaded the Logitech yung yung app para po merong you can control the brightness and the options. So this is how it looks like kapag nakatiklop. Medyo thick lang siya but I'm sure it was really protected. So yung experience nito is like the smart keyboard. I'm not sure. No, the Magic Keyboard. So yun yung feel nyo kapag gumagamit ka nito. But yung smart keyboard kasi is medyo expensive po talaga, like times 2 of the price nito. So this is just only how much ba? How much ba to? Hindi ko alam eh. I just let them buy this at saka binayaran ko. So yun, you could just stretch and take notes. So ito yung sinasabi nila. You can just stretch it out. Take notes. And you have the Apple Pencil. And you can just browse and read. And of course, you can put it in your table. So ayun. Sobrang ganda. I think matibay nito. Ang tibay nito guys na product. So I'm so happy with this product. And oh yan, may update na rin po yung yung kanyang app for this keyboard. It was really updated. So I'm gonna slap it up. Ayun, diba? Ayun siya. So connect. Oh, diba? So start update. So nag-update lang siya. Okay, final verdict. I recommend this to those who want to have an Apple Magic Keyboard replacement. This is really a good product, Logitech. Tsaka it is really well protected. Yung color is really nice, and all you have to do is to, of course, clean this minsan. Huwag nyo lang masyadong i-abuse na ikalat-kalat sa mga mababasang mga area kasi hindi po siya waterproof, and at the same time Ayun, very protected po yung iPad niyo. Especially when you're doing work from home, doing reports, and gaya ko na work from homers, and I'm also doing streams. Nanonood po ako ng mga Netflix, mga ganun. This is really a good product. At the same time, if you are taking notes, sobrang ganda nito. Sa mga students din. Ayan. I'm not sure, I just checked the online kung magkano po siya. But as far as I could remember, I paid around 8,000 for the product alone. Syempre may tax pa that almost run into 9,000. So medyo mura-mura po pag binili sa States. Kumpara dito kasi umaabot ng 10 to 11k or 12k mga ganito. But di pa po ako nakakita ng ganito sa mga iStores at saka mga Apple stores. Medyo laid back po tayo dito. So sana kung stock po kayo nito. Kasi yun, I waited for almost 2 months to have this product. So, perfect for December. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. And I rate this product perfect. Like 5/5. So, thank you. And yun lang. This is Logitech Combo Touch Review. And, of course, JR. Bye!